Reclaim your phone storage space with this simple Telegram hacks within a few minutes. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check Telegram storage. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Go to the settings by tapping the three horizontal lines icon. Select data and storage, and then tap on the storage uses. A graph displays how much storage is used by photos, videos, files, and other medias. Tap the Clear Telegram Cache button to delete unnecessary files. A confirmation message will appear. Again, tap on the Clear Cache option to confirm your decision. As you clear the cache, Telegram will show updated storage uses, helping you to track the impact immediately. So this is how to check Telegram storage. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.